Hello Pilates and Yoga Lovers, welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapists. I'm hoping everyone's faring well on this social distancing, and today is our fourth day, day 4, and it's going to be a lovely stretching, still beginners, phase 1, and will be an easy, gentle stretching for those who are just learning how to do proper stretching. We did a lot of cardio yesterday, yoga on day 2, and beginners Pilates day 1, and you might be feeling some soreness on your hamstrings, calf, and shoulders. So I'll be showing you some simple stretching we can utilize today for a lovely feeling to rest in between this lovely Pilates, yoga, and cardio. So get your mat ready. You're going to sit now. You're going to lie down on your back. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and slowly go down and blow. So from this position, we're going to do a little bit warm up on your legs. Nice to start the engine by warming up your core muscles. You take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. And then straighten your knee down. Straight, and take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Feel your core, keeping your back in neutral. Check it by sliding your hand at the small of your back. Take a deep breath. Feel your core engagement by pulling your belly button in and blow. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Last breath. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Now from this position, we are going to straighten your leg up, straight leg raise. Take a deep breath. Let's warm up your legs more, and down blow. Right leg, inhale, straight. If your knees are buckled, that's fine. Belly button in and blow. Still engaging your core. Let's warm up your legs before we stretch them. We'll do this 5 times each leg. Take a deep breath and blow. Left side, take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Right. 3. Left. 4. With your breathing, keep your breaths in and out and blow. Last one. Left. Straight leg raise. Last one and blow. 4. Okay. Now we're going to bend your knees and we're going to do simple sliding hip rotation to the right. Stretch your hip and back muscles here and hold this here for 1 breath. Inhale and blow. Feel that lovely stretch all the way here to your back muscles, and now to the other side. Twist. Keep your head straight for now. Take a deep breath. You feel that your core muscles here are sore. Inhale and blow. 1 breath each rotation. Right side. Take a deep breath. Now we're going to slowly further stretch it out by extending your left arm and then turning your neck away from your knees area. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. Engage your core and down, back, and blow. Other side. Twist to the right your neck and your arms and then your knees to the left. Inhale and blow. Now twist again to the other side. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. This is our day 4. Beginner stretching and blow. Other side. Take a deep breath. Last breath. And last hip rotation. Belly button in and blow. And now we're going to do some simple tabletop. Take a deep breath and down. We don't have to extend, fully extend. We're just warming up our core muscles more. So 90 degrees bend and just lower it down. Still engaging your core muscles and blow. Right side, take a deep breath and down. Belly button in, engage your core and blow. Right side, inhale and blow. Let's warm up our hips more and blow. 2 more, right and left. Belly button in, engage your core and blow. Last one in the right, blow, left, And now hold it with your head and stretch and back. Take a deep breath up and down. We'll do this 10 times to fully extend your hamstring. Belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath and blow. One breath, one movement, and blow. Isn't that a beautiful stretch? Take a deep breath, lift and down. Belly button in and blow. Inhale and blow. 2 more. 9, last one, and 10. And from this position, you're gonna pull your toes pointing you to stretch your hamstrings and your back more and pump up and down 10 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it there and slowly lift your arms closer to your ankle area and pull 10 times. 10, gentle tug and pull. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now pull it as much as you can and hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Feel that long stretch. Now let's go to the right. Then hold it behind your knee or your thigh and extend. And 1. We'll do it 10 times. 2. Belly button in. 3. Feels so good to stretch. 4. 5. Bend and extend. 6. Pointing to the ceiling. 7. Inhale and blow. 8, 9, last one, and 10. And from this, pump up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel that lovely stretch. 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly lift your hands closer to your ankle with your toes pointing you to feel a deeper stretch and pull. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold this. Pull as much as you can for 10 seconds. Hold in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Keeping your knees straight. 2, 1, and down. Now let's go back to your left again. And this time we're going to do circles. Just your knee. 10 times clockwise. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then reverse. 1, 2, belly button in with your breaths. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and from this position you're going to move side to side. So go to the left and then into the right with your toes pointing you. Feel that lovely stretch with your breaths and blow. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Still beginners flexibility program today. Inhale and blow. Belly button in and blow. 2 more to go. Last one to the side and blow. And now let's go to the right. Bend your knee and let's do circles. 10, 9, with your breaths. Belly button in. Keep your breathing and blow. And now we're gonna do reverse. Take a deep breath. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then extend your knee, toes pointing you, and you're gonna pull to the side out as much as you can, and then across your body. 1, take a deep breath. 2, belly button in. 3, feel that beautiful stretch. 4, last one, across your body past midline, and 5. And now You're gonna hug both knees to stretch your low back. Pull yourself up and down. So you're gonna pull yourself up. And down. Belly button in and blow. And now we're gonna rock side to side. 2 more. And now extend both legs and down. Take a deep breath. Extend and bend. Belly button in. Extend. Feel your knees stretching well. And your hips. Take a deep breath. Feel that lovely stretch. Extend with your breaths and blow. Inhale. Belly button in and blow. 2 more to go. Take a deep breath and blow. Last one. And from this, you're going to do double bump with your ankles 10 times. 7, 6, point and back. 4, 3, 2, 1. And now circle the whole hips clockwise, toes pointing to the heavens, to the sky or the ceiling. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. 5, 4, reverse. 2, 1, and blow. And pull it back a little bit more for a deeper stretch if you can. And back. We'll do this. 5, 4, up and down. 3, 2, last one, and blow. And now we're going to open both legs. If you can't reach your ankle, use your hands on your knees. Open and close. Belly button in, open, and blow. 3 more to go for this beautiful stretching for beginners. You can always hold it here and head down. That's fine. And last one, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blow. Now we're going to do Piriformis stretch. Figure of 4. Left leg first and push it out. Feel that lovely stretch in your hip. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. 2 more breaths. Inhale. Belly button in and blow. Last breath. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. And now we're going to slowly hug your knee and your both knees towards your chest. If you can't do this, continue with pushing it out for that figure 4. But those who wants to challenge themselves for a deeper stretch, you can try with 3 breaths. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in and blow. Last breath. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Now the other side, figure 4. Push out with 3 breaths. Inhale and blow. Belly button in and blow. Last breath. Take a deep breath and blow, and hug your knees to your chest. If you could do it, that's fine. If not, continue with figure 4, pushing out on your knee. Take a deep breath and blow. Feel that lovely stretch in your glutes area. Inhale and blow. Belly button in and blow. And now we are going to stretch your neck area. So we're going to slowly sit up because we did a lot of cardio yesterday for your shoulders. Cross-legged, sit up straight, and we're going to slowly look up and down all the way down. Inhale up, in and blow. Last look up, and then from this position you're gonna tilt your head to the right and then to the left. Feel that lovely stretch on your neck and shoulders. You're cooling down now. After this, we're gonna stretch your shoulders. So you can left arm over your right hip and hold it. Take a deep breath and blow. Stretch your posterior deltoids and your triceps and blow. Last breath and blow. Now let's go to the other side. Today's beautiful flexibility stretching to be able to release all the lactic acid you accumulated after the 3 days of workout. Okay, the next one is your triceps. Place your hand, bend your elbow at the upper back area, and then pull your elbow towards you and take a deep breath and blow. Last breath, take a deep breath and blow. Now let's go to the right side. Bend your right elbow, place your hand at the back, upper back area, pull your elbow up, feel that lovely stretch, take a deep breath, blow. One more breath, inhale and blow. Now we're gonna go to our hands and knees for a beautiful cat and camel stretch. Hunch your shoulders, belly button in, and then look up and blow. Hunch your shoulder in, belly button in, and up and blow. Feel that beautiful stretch in your low back area. Take a deep breath. 2 more to go. Belly button in, up, blow. Last one. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. And we'll end this with beautiful child pose by sitting on your buttocks. Hands stretch out. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Inhale and blow. And that's it. I'm hoping you're feeling better on this gentle beginners flexibility program. If you love this video and want to continue with my program from day 1 to day 28, please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything and ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload my videos. You can follow me also on my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and a Patreon account you can check out on the description box below, and you can leave a comment for any future suggestions or requests for exercise program that you might need. Until next time, be healthy and safe out there, and hoping this program will make you feel healthier. And keep going, be positive and encouraged. See you tomorrow for my next video, which will be interesting addition to keep our body strong and healthy. Until next time, bye!